The data intelligence practice is made up of a variety of really talented, motivated individuals, and we're all working towards that common goal of analysing data, using data and providing insights to our clients.
So Atkins are strong in the data field because we've got a whole practice full of data professionals that are very experienced in working with data across the whole spectrum.
So within data intelligence, I have multiple roles. My first one being a data architect. So data architecture, it gives you a broad, bigger picture of the actual client and what they actually want to achieve, and helping them problem solve the issues that they have, whether it's high-level thinking or day-to-day firefighting, that we can be sort of parachuted in to help them and to get where they want to be.
Innovation is always at the core of what we do. Geospatial data is everywhere. It's relevant to everything. So throughout my career, I've had the opportunities to work with a lot of different specialists, from ecologists to hydrologists to engineers, and many, many more.
One thing that makes me proud in the work that I do and the projects that I do is that I get to be involved in some really interesting and important projects around the UK. I think creativity is really important if you're going to come up with new solutions. If you have a sort of creative spark, then you're more likely to come up with different ideas and think outside the box.
Atkins is a really positive place to work for because we really do put our people first.
I think Atkins are in a really good position based on the current levels of innovation, and I think if we continue in this direction, bring in new people, develop the people already here, then we can really start to exploit the new technology even more so.
Atkins are at the forefront of data, and they're solving real-world problems, and they're really driving data-driven change. It's got such an exciting and promising future.